will happen here today? Play! Should the clouds rain drops of blue, or rain down tickles just for you? Tickle! Do you laugh when tickles fall? Should we giggle one and all? Giggle clouds, raining fun. Tickles falling on everyone. Clap your hands and laugh with me. Tickle rain from sky to sea. Do the tickles land on toes, or do they tickle every nose? Nose! Do they make your tummy shake? What sound do you giggles make? Hee hee hee, ha ha ha! If the giggle clouds float by, should we wave and shout hee hi? Hi ha ha! Should they rain all day or night? Tell me now, what feels right? Hey! What's the sound of tickle rain? Can you laugh it once again? Tickles everywhere. Giggle clouds, what a show. Raining laughter where we go. Sparkles falling, laughter too. Giggle clouds, just for you. Can you count the tickles now? 1, 2, 3, let's show them how. Go! Do we want more rain today? Shout it out, what do you say? Yes! Thank you, clouds, for tickles sweet, falling down on hands and feet. Should they come again to play? Yes, we'll call them any day. Giggle clouds, funny rain.